Welcome to Parents Perspective. My name is Mike Thomas, and with me is co host Sarah Griffin. And this program is part of an education series through the St. Clair County Speak Youth Coalition, funded in part by Region 10 and in partnership with the St. Clair County Health Department and local organizations in the Blue Water area. And it's not uncommon for children at times when things are getting rough or they're dealing with confusion, things like that, to have issues with anger outbursts. One of the best things that we can do as parents is to really understand how we can either deflect anger or in general work around that so that way we can come up with a way to keep ourselves calm and guide proper discussion. And so, a few things that we can do with that. First off, is really early on with your children, is develop with the sense of them what is and is not appropriate. So, we've talked about a few episodes ago fair fighting rules, but just in general, remember it's extremely important that we keep ourselves as calm as possible, that we show respect when we're talking with our children, as well model that throughout our discussions. So simple things can be make sure when we're having a discussion, everybody's comfortable sitting down, we're relaxed ourselves, and we keep focus on the action that we're working on and not going after the person. So very important that our demeanor is calm and that we're topic specific instead of going after the children with any attack. So for example, if the issue is grades, talking specifically about those and not using language like, every time that you do this, you blah blah, and then start pointing and things like that. Let's sit down, be calm, and ask some questions as well too. Sarah, what are some of your thoughts that you have as well when it comes to dealing with anger? I mean, you having children yourself, what have been some examples you've had?
I think it's important to let our children know that anger is a normal and an okay reaction. It's just how we express that anger that is important. And really loud, crazy outbursts, throwing ourselves on the floor and banging our fists is not going to resolve anything. But recognizing why we're angry, what made us angry, and then helping with our parents' help decide how we're going to resolve that anger or what we can do to make the situation better. I also think that it's important for parents as a parent of a teenager myself to know that anger doesn't always look the same and for everybody either. So sometimes avoiding people, pretending that they can't hear you or follow requests are signs that they're angry or they're upset about a situation. So just being able to ask them, is there something you're upset about? Is there something that we can talk about? And just recognizing that it's okay for them to be angry and it's okay for them to express that to you and then for you to work with them to find a good solution for both of you.
And I'm glad you brought that up because for a lot of us, we forget that we ourselves get angry over a lot of things, that we were at that age at one point as well too, where we were having difficulty expressing our feelings. I know I've talked with my own son about that. And sometimes it's not knowing the right thing to say. And that's what causes the anger at times, is just not knowing how to get the words out. So being patient, being honest, being kind, modeling the things that we want our children to see. And by doing that, helping model exactly what that looks like are going to be some key things. So, if you are interested in learning more about some other things that we can do to work with our children's emotions, we'd love for you to stay in touch with us. We're now every other week we're going to be on. And just really looking for some feedback on any other ideas, tips, things you're looking for as well too. We thank you so much for joining. Have a great day. Look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you.